Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic Astra, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can open the settings. Here in this left section, scroll all the way down to find the system, and here let's go to backup. So as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to the section where we can sign in or create a Google account. So just tap on next. And good news are that if you've got the Google account added to the device, it will appear somewhere here. So all you have to do is to simply tap on it to confirm that you want to use this account as the backup one. If not, you have to add it right now, just like I have to. So let me just tap on this plus icon. Of course, enter the screen lock to confirm everything. And here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here, we have to enter the password. So just do it and then tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account, so just tap on it. And now we can decide what kind of data we'd like to back up. So either photos and videos or other device data. Mark the option that you'd like to use. I'll pick only this one and tap on confirm. As you can see, we just successfully added the backup account. So now we can go to other device data or photos and videos. It depends which option you've chosen. And here we can check some further details, like for example, how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, we've got backup details, and here advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, to start the backup, simply tap on backup now. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock, and now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.